गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। स्वागत है आपका मेरे एक न्यू व्लॉग में। आई होप आप सब लोग अच्छे होंगे और मेरी वीडियोस को एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे। अगर एंजॉय कर रहे हो तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब यार। यू नो हाउ मच इट मैटर्स, मीन्स एटलीस्ट इट गिव्स मी मोटिवेशन। सो टुडे एक बहुत ही अच्छी खबर मिली है मुझे कि मुझे जाना है लैंडिंग साइट पे। और आज जो मेरा कोर्स है वो आज से स्टार्ट होने वाला है, रिज्यूम होने वाला है। तो बहुत ही अच्छी खबर है और आई होप कि मैं इस कोर्स को जल्दी कंप्लीट करूं और जल्दी से सोलो फ्लाइंग करना सीख जाऊं। तो अभी मुझे जाना है 9:30 वहाँ पे। तो अभी बज रहे हैं 7:18। तो मैं थोड़ा वर्कआउट कर लेता हूँ हाफ एन आवर, और वर्कआउट करने के बाद फिर सीधा आपको लैंडिंग साइट पे मिलता हूँ उनके इंट्रोडक्शन क्लास में। तो फ़िलहाल मैं आ चुका हूँ अभी अपने फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन क्लास के लिए। तो देखते हैं कैसा जाता है दिन। फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन क्लास में शायद वो मुझे यही सिखाएंगे बेसिकली पैराग्लाइड क्या होता है, उसमें क्या क्या स्ट्रिंग्स किस तरीके से काम करती हैं। तो यही सीन है। तो चलो फिर देख लेता हूँ और आपको भी बताता हूँ कि इंट्रोडक्शन क्लास में आज क्या क्या सीखा। कुछ अच्छे से इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दूँगा आप लोगों को भी। अगर वहाँ पे शूट करने को मिला तो शूट कर लूँगा थोड़ा बहुत टाइम निकाल के। तो फुल फोकस इज़ ऑन लर्निंग देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स एक्सप्लेनिंग। तो अभी जो मैं है वो लैंडिंग साइट पे आ चुका हूँ। ये टीटी सर है। तो सर जो है वो एक ऊपर रेड कलर का पैराशूट है, उनकी पैराग्लाइडिंग करवा रहे हैं। वो जो दिख रहा है एकदम स्पॉट रेड कलर का वो बादलों की चेस्ट उधर, तो उनकी पैराग्लाइडिंग करवा रहे। तो ये रहे टीटी सर, अच्छी तरीके से करवा रहे। तो मैं तो जो आ चुका हूँ, थोड़ा हाफ एन आवर जल्दी आ चुका था। तो ये करवा रहे हैं। हमारा इंट्रोडक्शन क्लास बाद में।
10 degree left and straight. 10 degree left and straight. Yes, enough.
How was your experience?
Experience. It was the first time was like very smooth.
हाँ
The second time was adventurous, but actually they guided very good.
हाँ
It was like, I mean, the feeling in the air is something else. You have to go there and feel it.
Yeah,
You, it's like
अमेजिंग।
amazing. I am still on air. I haven't landed properly.
नाइस नाइस।
Start off, first thing is to be aware of the direction of the wind. Okay, so to check the direction of the wind, we have a windsock right there over that cafe, the orange windsock,
हाँ
and then couple of them there as well over to that place, right?
हाँ
2 windsocks there. Okay, so this is what tells you the direction of the wind. Right now we do not have much wind, pretty much, but usually assuming the wind is coming from this direction, we always launch into the headwind. So if the wind is coming like this, we will launch in this direction. So we will lay out our wing in such a manner so that it inflates like this. Clear? Yeah. So after laying out our wing, we have to position ourselves at the center. Okay? Now we'll see how we connect the wing to our harness. Okay? Alright. So first off, bring the risers over your shoulder. Hold it with your neck if you have to. Reach out to the carabiner. Open the carabiner gate, and this loop, it goes right inside this carabiner, right? And you leave it and it auto locks itself. Clear?
The red thing remains up, no? The first.
Make sure
This
A riser is
riser.
always
Alright, we will
facing
tell
up.
you about it, how it's connected. Now, to make sure if we have connected it right or not, just bring it up upright, and usually so the brake toggle is connected along the rear riser. So the rear riser and the brake toggle side should be on the inside towards yourself, and A riser is on the outside away from yourself. Clear?
Clear.
Alright, now the A riser is not always red. Okay, you don't have to remember it by the color, it's by the orientation of the riser. The topmost riser is the A riser. It can be of different colors for different wings. It can be blue, it can be orange, it can be anything. Right? The top riser is the A riser. Clear? Again, just to check if it's done right, bring it up and see what do we check?
A riser to be in front and the brake back.
brake side is on the inside towards yourself in this orientation, and A risers are on the outside away from yourself. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Similarly, go for the other one. Bring it over your shoulder. Hold it there.
Make sure when you bring it over your shoulder, there shouldn't be a twist. A risers should be clear and facing up before keeping on your shoulder.
Right.
Clearing your lines is the first step. Okay? So A riser is always at the top. What that means is that there should not be any other line running over the A riser. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now bring it over your shoulder, hold it there, reach out to the carabiner, open the gates, and the riser loop goes right inside and leave it. Clear? Now let's check if it's connected right.
And you see this two pulley system. You can use this to remember कि हाँ, when you're putting it in the carabiner, this two pulley system should be facing away from you. If it is like this, don't put it. It should be always away from you. बच गया, ठीक है.
As part of our pre-flight check, just check your locks one more time. Just double check them if they are connected right properly. Okay? Check the locks and the carabiners. If it's done right, let's move on to next step. And that is to take the position for the inflation. Okay? And how do we do that? Alright. So first step, from this position, first off you should be able to locate the A risers properly. You should be able to see where it is. Okay? We can see the A riser on this side and on this side. Similarly, we should be able to locate the brake toggles as well. Clear?
Right, sir.
So from here on, reach out to the brake toggles first. Unclip them, hold them properly. Like this. Okay? Hold them. And from this point, stay bent forward. Run your arm behind all the risers. Stick your thumb between A risers and rest of the risers. And hold it and stand up with your hands wide. Okay? And at this position, you see all the risers are on the top of my forearm. There should be nothing left hanging under my arm. Okay? How did this happen? Because I ran my arm under the risers. Remember?
Yes.
Clear? Sure. I'll do it again just to show you. Okay, from this position, reach out to the brake toggles first. Bend forward and stay bent forward. Hold on to it. Unclip it. From this position, run your arm behind the risers, under all the risers. Stick your thumb between A riser and rest of the risers and hold it like this. Clear?
Clear.
From this position, don't rush to hold it from the front. Okay?
Okay.
Just always go behind the risers with the help of your thumbs. Hold it like this. Pretty simple.
Yes.
Clear?
Clear.
Alright, now this is the starting position. And just remember always to position yourself at the center. You can't be standing too much to the right or to the left. Right? Usually, wings have some logo or some mark at the center that tells you where the center of the wing is. You see that black dot?
Yes.
So that is the center of the wing. That is one way of telling it, right? And other way is that when you are standing at the center, you will be feeling equal tension on both the lines, on both sides. Yeah? If you are too much to one side, there will be more tension on this one and this one will be loose. Right? So you can position yourself by feeling that soft tension on the lines. Clear?
Clear.
So this is how we position ourselves for the inflation. Right?
Right.
Alright, now let's get to launch. How do we inflate the wing? Okay? We basically, from that position, holding the A risers, we start running forward. Okay? And as we run forward, the harness gets loaded and the wing gets loaded and the wing starts coming up. It starts inflating. Okay? As I start running, the wing will start inflating and I have to keep pulling it until the wing is at the top. Once the wing is at the top, I release the A riser and then quickly check. Check is to pull down the brakes. Brakes are still in my hand. I've only released the A risers.
A risers.
Okay? Check. That's a quick pump on the brake. Again, hands back up and keep running. Right? And throughout this process, you have to keep running to maintain the thrust on the wing. You should not stop at any point. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
When you're running, you see this clip, try to focus your weight on this clip. Okay, I have to push this clip forward. It will automatically load the glider, okay?
So throughout the run, right from beginning, we stay leaned forward that is to load the harness, and it also gives us speed to run forward. Okay, all right, I'll show it to you once. The inflation.
Pull. Release. ओके ग्लाइडर राइट जा रहा है तो राइट चलना है हमें, फिर हल्की सी अगर नहीं मान रहा तब उसके बाद ऑपोजिट। ये हमारा पार्टनर
और एक बार बताओ सर,
सॉरी
और एक बार बताओ।
बहुत बारी सुनेंगे। फुल रिलीज चेक रन। ओके, सो हमें विंड देखनी है, सामने से जज करना है। ही विल फील द टेंशन इन बोथ हिज हैंड्स, देन हिज रेडी पोजीशन इज जस्ट अ स्टेप फॉरवर्ड, चेस्ट डाउन, हैंड्स बैक, योर palms should face up. Ready? Pull. He pulls, release, control. That small pump was a check, and you have to lean forward and keep running. Now when you have to stop, apply full brakes, hold. Push yourself for that. Okay, how many of you have seen Naruto? Only 3. So that is an anime character in which he runs. Look at him. यहाँ पे दौड़ के दिखाओ. Look at it. We have to run like that. Okay. And our palms always facing up. We have to run like that. Whenever we always say load the glider or chest down. Whenever the glider is going back. When the glider goes back, we just need to lean forward. That will pull the A lines. That will stress the A lines. That means it will pull the leading edge up. It will accelerate the leading edge again. Okay, we need to understand that small sensitive timing. कि हाँ, how much should I lean? कि हाँ, it should come back again in center. Then how much should I apply brake so that it doesn't go out of control? Whenever the glider is going forward, that means it is going out of control. You need to pull the brakes a little to feel that. Yes? Okay?
लास्ट में
कैमरा इधर भी घुमा लो।
नहीं ठीक है, ठीक है।
बताओ लास्ट में।
जो लास्ट में लेफ्ट एंड राइट में कंफ्यूजन हो रहा था कि मतलब
लेफ्ट एंड राइट में कंफ्यूजन हो रहा था। लेफ्ट कौन सा है?
लेफ्ट ये
राइट, राइट, गुड। सो लेफ्ट और राइट में कंफ्यूजन है, हाँ। और लेफ्ट एंड राइट कंफ्यूजन इज नॉट जस्ट हिज प्रॉब्लम. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वर हैविंग अ लेफ्ट एंड राइट प्रॉब्लम? Raise your hands honestly. I know each and every one.
Everybody is
उल्टा घूमने के बाद तो लेफ्ट राइट किधर ही होता है पता नहीं.
So,
तो आज के दिन में हमें सीखने को मिला कि क्या क्या बेसिक्स ऑफ पैराग्लाइड है. इंट्रोडक्शन, फिर इंटरेक्शन विद क्लास, और फिर पैराग्लाइड का रन कैसे लेना है, फिर साथ साथ में उसको कंट्रोल कैसे करना है, उसको ब्रेक लगा के डाउन कैसे लेना है. ये सारी चीज़ें हमें आज सीखने को मिली. सिर्फ थ्योरी नहीं, प्रैक्टिकल भी हमसे करवाया. सुबह 9 बजे से लेके सुबह 9:30 बजे से लेके शाम के 6:30 बजे तक प्रैक्टिस चली. बीच में 1-1.5 घंटे का लंच ब्रेक था. और इवनिंग के टाइम पे हमारे जो इंस्ट्रक्टर थे शुभम सर और आर डी सर, उन्होंने हमें बहुत अच्छी तरीके से डिब्रीफ किया. उन्होंने हमें हमारी गलतियाँ बताई कि किस तरीके से आपने ये गलती की और इसको दोबारा रिपीट नहीं करनी. तो आज बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला और आई होप कि आप लोगों को भी ये वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी होगी. और इन्फॉर्मेटिव अगर वीडियो लगती है तो इसको शेयर ज़रूर करो, और लाइक और शेयर सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना वीडियो अच्छी लगती है तो इस तरीके से मेरे वीडियो को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. और चलो फिर मिलते हैं आपको एक न्यू व्लॉग में, न्यू एक्सपीरियंस और एक नए इन्फॉर्मेशन के साथ. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.